Real Canadian Superstore. Mag-grocery na muna kami dito guys bago kami pumunta sa ano.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Yan, galit na galit na si Mrs. guys.
Wala. You are ano talaga eh.
Naiwan niya yung cellphone naiwan ni Baka yung cellphone. Saan niya ito nilagay eh?
Ang bira kang bata ka oh.
Naiwan na. Hawak-hawak ni Baka eh. Papunta dun eh. I don't have that. You actually here
Are you
or?
guys sitting out here anywhere that it's
No.
on the soil or anything?
We don't.
Like you're someone to put it down here or
No, we did not. Once we get, it's probably somewhere inside. Alright guys, Real Canadian Superstore. Mag-grocery na muna kami dito guys bago kami pumunta sa ano, magbalik ng product, yung materialis sa Macmon. Groceryhin na rin namin yung mga bagay na kailangan namin dito papunta sa camping ng 5 days camping. Okay, so broccoli. Yan. Ito. Let's go, bebe. Okay, so pakwan. $5.99. Yan. Dinalawa ni Mrs. Bebe, let's go get chicken. Move closer there, bebe. 2. Dalawain mo na. Yeah. Oops. Thanks, bebe. Ito guys. Oh, ito. $23. Beef brisket portion. Ito, okay. Wala to si Baka guys. Pabigat eh. Is what, hurry.
Don't call me big pickaxe.
Parang naintindihan mo ano yung ibig sabihin ng pabigat. Ah. Like a heavy baggage. Uy. How's Ate Clark? Doing a great job? Mrs. Isa lang? Luto ng cream? Anong para saan yan, Han?
Alfredo pasta.
Oh, okay. Doon sa camping. Magkakamping kasi kami guys. 5 days camping. Samahan nyo kami ha. Ito yung kasimple ang buhay ng lakay trucker dito. At mga kababayan ninyong Pilipino rito sa Canada. Kapag nasa bahay at walang pasok ang mga bata at summer, pakamping-camping lang. Let's go, bayaran na natin, Han. Sipag ni Ate Clark, oh. Ate Clark is doing a great job.
Hindi yung ano, hirap pagka may anak na babaeng hold on.
Mayroon palang ano sa Ate Clark, dalaw ngayon. Buwan ng dalaw, oh.
Hi, honey, how's it going?
Kaya medyo nakasibangot si Ate Clark. What, bebe? Gusto mo.
Cold in here for you?
Alright guys, so bali pumalo kami sa grocery ng 184. 150 lang kasi. Pero kumuha ko ng $50. Gawa nga ng may utang ako kay Ate Clark na cash. Yun yung pinang ano namin dun sa basura. Ay, babayaran ko siya. 200 yung utang ko sa kanya. I give you, how much, bebe? 200, okay? Pera nila yun. Hindi natin pwedeng kunin. Okay, so, 100. 2-4. There you go. Your 20s fix, okay?
Ha?
The other one, the rep, I pay it in there, okay? Here. Open your brother. Put into your wallet now. Andun pa si Bakian. Baka mamaya maiwanan mo eh. Antayin muna natin silang maka-seatbelt. Okay, let's go.
No, she let me.
May natirang
Put in the side there, Baki.
isa.
I think it's in the side.
Let's go. Alright guys, let's go home. Kakain muna kami. Tapos punta namin ibalik yung ting.
Things, ano, pera
Oh,
na. Parang
yung mga materialis na sobra sa ano,
Parang yung seatbelt.
sobra sa
Hot?
No, it's
saan nabili? You good? You all set belt? Okay. Yeah.
Coin number 1.
Di ka pa yata nakasaing kanin?
yung konti mo.
Mag-shower muna ako, magsaing ka muna kanin. No.
Mom, do we have
Yes,
to
tara.
take a bath? Do we have to take a bath, Mom?
Yan, later.
No.
Ay, hindi pala ayot na linis yan. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Yan, galit na si Mrs. guys.
Wala. You are ano
Naiwan
talaga eh.
naiwan niya yung cellphone naiwan ni Baka yung cellphone. Saan niya ito nilagay eh?
Hindi kang bata ka oh.
Naiwan na, hawak-hawak ni Baka eh, papunta dun eh. I don't have that. You're not sorry, Baki. You're not sorry.
Wala sa akin dito.
Oo.
Do we go to the store?
We have to go back. That's a cellphone right there. Ito yung cellphone niya eh. Ayaw niyang
Bakit
gamitin.
mo inaano yung cellphone ko, Baki?
Because you let him.
No, hindi.
No,
Hindi ko
you've
inaano.
been doing that before already. That's what happened to them. Even you did not, kahit hindi nila ipaalam na sa'yo eh, hinahayaan mo lang kasi sila. Wala na, kung sino pa nakakuha yung cellphone mo na, wala na.
Use the tracker on Papa's phone.
There's no track in my phone with this ano.
I have a tracker on Mommy. My phone is connected to Mommy.
Ay, bihira. Bawal lang. U-turn.
Dahan-dahan lang, Han. Ako na lang mag-drive kaya.
Hindi, bawal ang U-turn.
Oo nga, dahan-dahan ka ah.
Kita ba tayo?
Kahit na ano, dahan-dahan, hindi pwede rito, doon ka. Dahan-dahan ka, na walang, porkit mawalan ka lang ng ano eh. Maano ka pa dyan dahil sa cellphone mo na yan, o dyan. Kung hindi mo ano, ako na lang mag-drive.
But I have a tracker on Mom's phone and my phone.
Ha?
I have a tracker on Mom's phone and my phone.
Yeah, track it.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
I will show you the, I will ano you the Wi-Fi.
Bakit?
Okay, you can now add
Thanks, Pop.
track mo your mom phone. Buti na sana makuha pa natin, mahanap pa. Wala ba yan sa
Tawagan
bulsa
mo
mo?
na ulit, Han.
Wala ba yan sa bulsa mo?
Wala eh.
Punta tayo sa Superstore.
Tawagan mo ulit. Mayroon nakatulog. Rowan. Mabait ang nakatulog. Wala akong phone.
Someone put it in the voicemail.
Nandiyan.
Probably
Still ringing.
It doesn't by
Wala kaya dyan sa binili natin?
Wala akong nakuha dyan, Han.
Sa baka dyan nakabag?
Wala.
Eh, wala naman siyang pinag-iwanan nun eh.
Kaya
Kailangan...
nga pupuntahan natin.
It's still in Superstore, Mom.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll see.
we need to go there.
But it doesn't really track the exact location. Okay, this is not funny.
Tama na si Neil, huwag ka na makialam pagalitan niya kapatid mo kasi we already heard the parents, we are the one. We are the one na, sige na, nagmamadali tayo eh. We are the one na ang magsasabi sa kanya, huwag mong pagagalitan niya kapatid mo.
Next time, do not touch my phone, Baki, ha? My phone is more important than your phone. Ha? Please lang. And then you're putting everywhere.
Somebody's gonna get in trouble in the house later. Doon sa mga pinagbinilan natin baka may naiwan. You got the tracker?
Yeah, but it doesn't show the exact location on mom's phone. It's just still in a superstore.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Hopefully they send it to naibalik nila doon sa
It's in the building, so it's probably in the.
hopefully somebody's pick up and then they give it to, they cannot unlock that, they give it to the the
To
person
the-
in there. Baka naiwan niya ito dun sa anuhan,
Lost and found.
or first we go first to the lost and found.
Where
No,
is
let's try the carts and then the lost and found.
Carts, the one that we
Yeah.
Mommy is not happy, Baki.
There's a lot of important.
Remember this, goes to all of you kids. No, that's why we keep telling you what, never touch somebody's cell phone. How many times we told you that do not touch somebody's cell phone. Even me, you have your phone, Clark, right? Even at this I did not touch the cell phone, not unless I want to touch if I am in the house. But here, you guys never have the right to touch your parents' cell phone.
Dinala niya pala.
Hawak-hawak niya kaganina eh, kala ko alam mo eh.
Hindi ko
Nung
alam.
pumunta tayo doon, hawak-hawak niya. When we go into the superstore, hawak-hawak ni Baki.
Akala ko sa'yo.
Sa video eh.
Sa'yo yung black na yun.
Hindi, I did not let Baki touch my phone. He will not going to touch my phone. I won't allow it.
Wait,
Okay, sasama na lang. What's your brother and sister here, ha?
I'm not gonna go.
Diyan sa bag mo.
Wala. Wala dito.
Sa superstore si Nel, let me see.
Okay. If it just press on, it says lives.
Move here. Ha? Nandun si Mommy's cellphone. Nandun guys, ha. Nandun, no? 80. Nakita yung 80. Nandito kami. Nandito yung 80. Andito kami itong ano to. Tapos yung 80. Yun si ma'am. Nandahan ka lang naman, Han. Na ano naman kami sa mga pagdadrive mo. Mami, lalo pa tayong maksidente sa mga ginagawa mo eh. It's just a phone eh. Baka mamaya eh. Buhay pa kapalit natin
Itong
dyan.
ano na to, no?
Oh, ipark mo na lang sa gilid para mabilis tayo maglakad.
Watch your brother and your sister, okay?
Naman
Good
lang.
luck.
Good luck. Probably go to the cards first for a tip, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go guys. Natin yung ano. Ayan. Saan pa? Nandun pa sa cart sana. Wala dyan? Nasa loob kasi nandito pa oh. Pwede mo tong cellphone ko dito sa bag. kang lumayo sa akin kasi nandiyan yung internet eh. Bilisan natin. Andun lang siguro. Tanong natin sa counter muna. Doon sa binilhan natin ng ano. Yan oh. Okay. Sa counter muna, Han. Nagre-ring pa rin. Yan.
Wondering if someone's left the phone.
No one so far. You can leave your name and number here,
Still ringing.
and the name of the make of the phone, and
In the
phone
in the
if it shows up.
shopping cart or in the cart corral?
In the shopping cart.
Oh,
I don't know if in the shopping cart actually.
is your ringer on or off?
Still ringing.
But is the
not
ringer
sure,
on or
yeah.
off? If it's off, the customer won't even hear it. Does that say directly if it's in the store, or does it?
Yeah, we just came here.
Yeah, we just came here about 5 minutes ago.
Your picture, does it say it's in the store or still outside? It doesn't give that close of a location
It's
No.
in here.
in here.
Yeah. It's still in here. Someone's took the cart already.
Oh, okay.
Right there. Still ringing.
Well, you guys can walk around if you want and
Yeah.
try to ring it, but
0.1 kilometer.
Does the picture look like it's outside though, or is it in the store?
Not sure if it's that's outside.
you check
Yeah.
the cart where you return the
Yeah,
cart.
someone already took the cart.
But it looks like they, like on the picture, it looks like it's outside.
It's
Show
outside.
in up.
Zoom in. Like that looks like it's outside.
Is that a cart or what?
Go back again. I'm trying to figure out what cart. It looks like it's beside a cart corral outside.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the store on here?
I can't remember if that makes sense.
Okay.
So we are here. Alright?
Thank you very much.
We're supposed to be inside, right? And then this is, I think this is the inside of the store or what?
Well,
Because this is the building, look. This is the building.
oh, this is the building.
Yeah, see the building right there? It's inside.
So it looks like it's right at. This is the front of the store.
Yeah, we are in the building. Look at the building, look at that
Yes.
triangle right
So it
there.
looks like it's right over here somewhere.
Yeah. I was trying to do like that in direction. Trying to give me, huh?
Back to the picture. How do you get back to the picture? Okay, so. Oh, how do you get it? So this is the building here.
This is, yeah, the building is big. It's
Right.
inside.
So here. So this is the door to go out then.
We will go try to talk to the cashier in there if my son left in the cashier.
Maybe it's at, yeah, because this looks like it's sitting. This is the front of the building here.
Yeah, it's in the building actually. It's not outside. It's in
It looks
here.
like it's in the cart corral over here. Did you look over there?
No, we did not go there.
No.
No.
This looks like there's cart.
Guys. Huh?
Oh, kind of looks like it was sitting right there, but there's no cart there. Like the way it is, right? Because there's McPhillips.
Mm-mm.
It looks like it's sitting right at the front of the building. Here's where we're standing right now.
Yeah.
It looks like it's right here.
Yeah.
But there's no cart here.
Is it actually here or? You talk to here
Are you
or
guys sitting out here anywhere that it's
No.
on the soil or anything?
we don't?
Or if your son would have put it down here, or,
No, we did not. Once we, it's probably somewhere inside in there.
but
Some,
it's not moving though.
yeah, it's not moving.
The cart was pushing to be moving in the store.
I think it's not a cart. He lives somewhere in the store, my son. I'm just gonna try to check in there because there's nothing in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayun guys. Oo, kung nakita ni Mrs. Wala kaming ibang pinuntahan. Excuse me. My son, we went here earlier, right?
Yeah.
My son, I think my son left the phone of my wife here. Did you see something?
No.
Because it's right here, still, the phone is still right here. Thank you. Alright guys, wala na. Yung cellphone ni Mrs. wala na. Hindi na mag-ring. Meron nakakuha na. Pero ganun pa man, iniwan pa rin namin yung number namin dito. Number niya. Ikaw Bake, remember where did you put mommy's cell phone? You have, your memory is good. You have to tell me where did you put, inside or what?
I last seen it in the cart.
You last seen in the cart.
Yeah.
Mommy bring the cart in there.
What if it's
Sinong kumuha nun? Cart mo? Yung babae?
Hindi ko alam han.
Hindi, may sumunod sa yung babae.
Hindi ko alam kung kinuha niya yun. Hindi siya kumuha doon. Iba yung kinuha niya. Tawagan natin yung bell, ilak lang nila yung phone ko.
Naiwan yung wala na guys, wala na. Oh, tawagan na. Sige, tawagan mo. Tawagan ko lang guys yung bill para may lock yung cellphone. Nandun pa naman yung online banking.
Welcome to Bell. To continue in English, press 1. Pour le français.
Patayin mo na yung yung camera.
Alright guys, ako na yung nagpre-prepare ng pagkain namin. Ito simple pagkain, yung binili namin manok. So yan, lima kami, nagsaing kami ng kanin. Ayan, kanin tapos ito yung noodles na may gulay. Naantay ko lang si Mrs. na sa taas kasi gawa nga ng inaasikaso niya yung cellphone niya. Hindi niya na makukuha yung cellphone guys kasi pinatay na nila. Kaya ng point lang ni Mrs. ngayon is tinatawagan yung mga banking, online banking. So ang ginagawa niya, mag-change na siya ng password para sa ganon, sa online banking mag-change siya ng password para sa ganon lahat ng mga online banking, lahat ng mga online banking niya doon sa cellphone na yon is magla-log out. Yan, para hindi nila ma-access. Wala tayong magagawa guys. Bata kasi, nakialaman yung cellphone ng nanay. Kaya, yan. So, antayin ko lang matapos siya. Tapos yung mga bata is naliligo naman sa taas. Yan. Yan. Andun siya sa taas. Sa internet. Sa computer namin.
Okay.
Ano? Kape ka muna.
Is it registered with the auto deposit?
No, it's not. There's a password.
Come here. Sit down here. I wanna talk to you. Come here, sit down here.
If you have a
Going to take a bath?
account that is set up with auto
Okay.
deposit.
But It's
Talk to
only
them.
18 cents, right? I
Tell
think
them
I
that
don't
if
mind
they
that one.
find mommy's cell phone,
Okay, so
return it back.
you're wanting me to just
Do not
like,
cry,
cut it
ah.
off for you?
Yes.
Not.
No,
Yes.
just tell them.
Okay, I'll just process this one. Just 1 second, Aileen,
Tell them
okay?
Just 18 cents, right?
everything I did.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
What's
So
that?
I don't
Tell
have.
them everything I did.
Yeah, tell them everything you did.
Moment, okay?
Okay.
So
And then
first,
again, you will be hearing
I
some
was
silence on my end,
calling
but
my
I'm letting you know
mom's
that I'm
phone,
just
and
working
I
on
wanted
this.
to play
Okay.
still
Thank you. Just kindly stay
my
on the
mom's
line.
phone, and I wanted, and it wa- and I was tired of playing.
You bring the phone inside the grocery.
No, I put
Ang
it
palitan mo
inside
ng
the
password
car.
yung lakay mo kasi automated yun doon eh.
Ah, okay, sige yan.
Gawin natin
And I
dito.
put it in
Yun
the
ang mga
cart
importante.
and
Yung Yahoo
Hello,
phone.
Aileen.
Yes?
gone.
Yeah,
I
just
didn't
letting you know
know
that
where it
like
went.
since you are like
'Cause the
speaking with
last
someone
scene
there,
I
the
Sorry.
topic that you might be like on
Maybe it was from-
loudspeaker. I will
Maybe
be
it was from
needing to
the
read the
car. I
notice
don't know. Maybe
Okay.
someone got it.
So this call is recorded and may be monitored for coaching, training, quality, and
Next
security.
time,
Your voice helps protect you from
never
fraud. You can use
touch
it to learn
mommy's
who you are.
papa's phone.
You can choose not to use your voice for ID verification
Come here.
anytime.
You're touching mommy's phone, you're playing it, you bring it inside the
Inside the
superstore.
No,
'Cause-
not inside the superstore. It was in the cart.
No, we bring the cart inside the superstore. Right? And then you left your mommy's phone in the cart.
And I didn't think about giving the phone to mom because I forgot that.
No, you forgot.
Yeah, and mom told me when we got home.
Yan, naalala nga ni Mrs. Nakita nyo naman, binalikan pa natin. So, tell them, ask them, if you see a phone, a mom phone, can you return it back to us? Go.
If you are our fans and if you've seen a black phone with a side for the camera for the phone and black and blue, dark blue. If you've seen that in one of the carts or maybe a fail, please return it to us.
If the fans pick that up. Guys, it's like tracker here. Yan. So ito si please daw guys, kapag napanood nyo itong video nito at nakita nyo yung cellphone ni Mrs. kasi naiwan sa cart nga. It's too late na, hindi naman namin kasi alam eh. Hawak talaga ni Baki.
Yeah, and someone already got it. I am so sorry for my mom, and I am super sorry for my mom. I wish I could buy her a new phone, but I don't have enough money to give her a new phone.
No, Mami don't. Kinausap ko na nga rin si Mrs. Kuha na lang tayo ng bagong mong cellphone. Ayaw rin ni Mami. Kasi, sabi niya, hindi ko naman kailangan ng bagong cellphone. Yung cellphone ko na yun guys, yun yung mga pinaglumaan ko na cellphone. Kasi ako lang kasi may account. Ayaw niya rin magpa-account kasi isa lang naman. Kasi siyempre husband and wife naman kami sa BLMTS. So, yung number na yon nakakonekta sa akin. So, yung cellphone na yon my old cellphone. Kaya hindi pa siya, mula nung dumating kami dito sa Canada, never pa siyang kumuha ng cellphone guys. Never pang kumuha ng bagong cellphone si ma'am. It's, yung mga cellphone na yan, it's either galing kay Ate Papa o Ate Paypay, binibigay sa amin. Yun ang ginagamit niya. Ayaw niya talaga ng bago. Ako naman yung cellphone ko, kasi kailangan ko talaga, gawa nga lang sa trabaho, kumukuha talaga ako.
And if you are 1 year older than me or 10 years older than me, please do never do this. You will get in trouble.
Sabi ni Baki, do not choose who?
Do not do this. If you are a kid and your mom already told this to you, please do not forget this like I did. I forgot this and left it in the car, and maybe it dropped down and someone got it or kept it and yeah. So please, if you are 9 years older than me, or if you are 9, 10, 7, 12, or
Yeah, don't do it.
yes, please do not do this, or you or
Get in trouble.
yes, or if someone picked it up, or if they're not a stealer, then they might return it to you, or return it to another one that's not you. So please do not do this. And if they're a stealer with the phone, I lost the phone and I feel so sorry. So please do not do this, and they will steal all your savings from your bank account. So please do not do this.
Yan guys, pagka nawala at ninakaw daw, pati nga yung bank account nyo. Kasi sa cellphone, nandun yung mga online banking. That's what Bak is saying. Ngayon din, ganyan din ang ginagawa ni mom niya. Ngayon yun, change niya yung mga bagay-bagay doon. Ayan. So, ayan.
Please do not do the same thing I did. Please do not ever do this.
So, what is your punishment now?
Walk in the treadmill for 1 hour.
Bigyan namin siya ng punishment kasi it's not good. No more crying. Okay, thought you're crying. Sa Pilipinas, you know when it's Philippines, you already got smashed in the butt. Yeah, you have done enough, Baki. Hopefully, you understand the consequence that if you lost the phone, especially if the phone is your mom and dad, there's a lot of things need to fix. Yan, pinakat na rin namin yun. Tinawag nga namin kaganina sa bilhin TS. Cut na. Pero magagamit pa rin nila yon. Kung ma-unlock nila yon, may connecta mo lang sa wifi, okay na Siguro, ewan ko lang.
Or if someone took your card from if someone who stole your phone and didn't return it to you, they would think to go in your iPhone and
Let's go outside this room. This is Ad's room. Call, you're next now. Go. Take a bath. Ayan guys, yan sabi ko sa inyo. So, kung napanood nyo, sabi nga ni Bake, pakibalik. Kung maaari lang, magbibigay ako ng $100 kung sino man ang makakapagbabalik ng cellphone na yon. At sa Superstore, ibalik nyo na lang doon para yung Superstore is tawagan ako. Kasi inilagay naman o iniwan ko naman yung phone number ko doon sa Superstore. Pwede nyo silang kontakin doon, or kung fans kayo ng Lakay Tracker, kilala nyo ako, i-message nyo ako sa Messenger. Ayan guys. Or tawagan nyo ako sa Messenger. Ayan guys. At ayan, wala tayong magagawa. Bata to Sinel, go into your room now. Antay ko lang si Miss dito at may kakain na kami.
Kumain na kayo kasi gutom na yung mga bata.
Nag-ano pa sila? Nagbibihis.
Okay. Palitan mo yung anuhan.
Antayin ka na lang namin. Pray now.
Dito ka na.
15.
Saan na ako?
Okay, tara na. Pray. Bak is leading the prayer with for mom.
Hey guys.
Because he is the one who made mistake. Not fun, Baki Go. The name.
Amen. Our Father who art in heaven, Almighty God, bless us and each food that we're about to eat, and show us your grace by guiding our family here and our daily back your life. We ask this through your Son, Jesus Christ the Lord, in the name of your Son, Spirit. Amen. And guys, just tell them to, if you say, return it to mom or drop into the Superstore.
Yeah.
Because I left my phone number there, guys. Tatawagan ako. And kung gusto niyo naman, kontakin niyo ako sa Messenger and I'm willing to give $100.
I'll give you 300.
No, I'm just joking.
300. They just gonna buy a new one.
Promise something.
$100 ka.
You can't
Bibigay ako ng $100 kung sino man ang makakapagsoli ng cellphone mo. Thank you very much. Lagay mo lang yan. Guys, tara, kain tayo.
Lang nila kayo, na yun.
Thank you guys for watching. Ayan, si Bake. Ayan. Say sorry
Sorry, guys.
to mom.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, guys, and if you find
It's not okay, but I hope you will learn the lesson.
fans, if you find it,
Oh, sorry.
fans, And if you find my mom's phone, please return it to us.
Okay. Alright guys, ganun na lang kapag ka nakita nyo. Thank you na lang. Kain tayo guys. Disappointed ni Mrs. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Okay, I love you guys.
Guys, hindi mo pwedeng pagalitan yung
Ma'am!
bata.
Hindi, meron na siyang punishment. Maglalakad sa treatment. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Yan. Antayin na lang namin yung cellphone pag binalik nyo. I love you. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Lakai Tracker.